is my first time in these old school trains.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're back. We're back on the Scorpion.
I guess Sand Serpent's gonna be another visit.
Yeah, it's bad about it.
Oh, I'm leaning.
I love these old smooth short jobs.
That was great.
These tires don't look like they touched, bro. That one did. The first one did.
No, you can just gently feel it. Alright, you want to brace here because it's gonna do a hard stop.
Yeah.
Once the road has come to a complete stop and your lap bars have been released, please gather all personal belongings and exit to your left. We thank you for riding the Scorpion and hope that you'll enjoy the remainder of your